Hi, and welcome back to Uni-edit. My name is Anthony P., and today's video is on advanced Google Chrome keyboard shortcuts for academics and researchers. If you enjoy the content, please hit like and subscribe below. Now let's get started. To maximize your current window, you can click here, or you can click Alt space then X to maximize it. To minimize your current window, you can click the button here or press Alt space then N. This is your search bar. To jump to the search bar without clicking it, you can press Alt D to type there. That easy. To fully quit Google Chrome, press Alt F then X. It's gone. And lastly, to view your history, you can click here and History, or you can press Ctrl H and pull up your history that way. Here is a recap of what we've talked about in this video. And that's all for today. Thanks for sticking around. If you enjoyed the content, remember to hit like and subscribe below to support me in this free content, and I'll see you in another video. Thanks!